A new paper recently published by LERRN, the Local Engagement Refugee Research Network, examines the education system within the Dadaab refugee complex in Kenya and the importance of training and professional support for teachers in the region. The paper, written by Abdikadir Abikar, is titled Building Local Professional Learning Communities with and for Teachers in Refugee Camps, a case study on Harid Primary School in Dadaab. Abikar is a recent graduate of the Masters of Education program conducted online by York University. The program is run through the Borderless Higher Education for Refugees project in the Dadaab refugee complex. Abikar lives in Dadaab and has worked as a teacher in the Dadaab school system for many years. Dadaab is host to approximately 223,000 refugees from primarily Somalia, Ethiopia, and South Sudan. The majority of teachers at Harid primary schools are untrained and unsupported with pedagogical theories and teaching methods. 72% of teachers in Dadaab have only secondary school qualifications themselves and thus depend on their own schooling for pedagogical knowledge and classroom management techniques. Abikar's work points to the need for in-service training to better prepare teachers. A professional learning community is one such mechanism to share knowledge and provide professional support. A professional learning community is a group of educators that meet and share their expertise. By working together, they hope to improve their teaching skills and the academic performance of students. Abikar argues that if teachers are well trained and supported, it will in turn impact positively on the education of the students and empower the wider community. Insufficiently trained teachers can lead to a reliance on memorization and testing rather than inquiry-based learning. Some of Abikar's important recommendations include: professional learning communities need to be supported and sustained by the school administration in refugee education. Schools in Dadaab should organize continual in-service training for teachers. Donors should be encouraged to provide funds to support interactive workshops for educators. New pedagogies need to be introduced, especially around more self-directed learning and creative learning techniques that truly engage students. Gender is a crucial element that needs to be examined and addressed, as there are fewer female teachers in the refugee schools, and increasing that number would likely attract more female students. And further research into education in refugee settings is recommended. A copy of the working paper is available for download on the LERRN website.